So let's take a look at what you get inside the box with the Nokia 5310. There's of course the feature phone inside the box. Then you get a charger which comes with a non-detachable cable and has a micro USB port. You also get a pair of headphones and a quick guide which can help you set up the phone really quick. In addition to the above mentioned things, there's also a 1200 mAh replaceable battery inside the box. Nokia 5310 is a feature phone and it comes with an MP3 player, FM radio and dual front-firing speakers. The phone features a 2.4-inch QVGA screen and has a VGA camera with flash. It runs on Series 30 Plus operating system and brings aboard 8 MB RAM and 16 MB internal storage with microSD card support of up to 32 GB. The phone is powered by MediaTek's MT6260A processor. Backed by a 1200 mAh battery, the phone claims to offer up to 20.7 hours of talk time and up to 22 days of standby time. The connectivity options on the Nokia 5310 include Bluetooth 3.0, micro USB and a 3.5mm audio jack. The phone is a dual SIM phone and is available in two color options, white red and black red.